So hello adventurers, and welcome to the club. Today I want to show you how to open a can without a can opener. You're using a knife, yeah. And first of all, be warned, don't use an expensive knife. And be careful, because knives can close and cut you. That's because I'm using this one here. I could use a knife with a locking mechanism, but it's not as much fun. We take our knife and I'm closing it this much. This is a non-locking knife, and be careful, this thing can close and cut your finger, so don't put it here, put it here. Now we're just punching it in. It works quite good because this side here is flat and this side here is sharp, so it cuts in this direction. You see how good this works? And yeah, it dulls your knife down a bit, but it's not too bad. If you do it the right way, you can even put a bit after by just holding your finger here and pushing it down, because cans are actually quite thin. What they used to be. So you can just, once you have punched it in, you can just cut the can. See? Let's do one more here. You can just punch on it. It's completely open, of course. Now, you see, you cut to the side. You can either push this in or pull it out. And in this case, we got a self-opened can of beans. And yeah, of course, be careful, check the edges and so on. But yeah, it's beans. And by the way, if you're out there and are thirsty, you can just open a can with one little slit and drink out of it. Yeah, it's water from beans, and it tastes like water from beans, but it's water. So I would recommend, if you are thirsty and dehydrated and so on, just drink the liquid and don't eat the food, because food needs to be digested and your body needs water for this. Let's test if it still cuts. Got a piece of scrap paper here. Yeah, has never been terribly sharp. Kind of cuts. Let's try the identical knife, so you can't think I'm cheating here. That's even duller. Yeah, cuts a little better, but not much. But what can you expect of a free knife that you have used in such an abusive way? So, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And now you know one of many ways how to open a can without a can opener. And yeah, there are more ways, and maybe I will make some more videos about this. Well, till then, I see you here at the Adventures Club. And now, that's delicious.